Weather Service in Wilmington was issued a tornado warning for eastern Champaign County, Logan County, Clinton County, until 6 p.m. At 5 p.m., a tornado was located over West Liberty, or 16 miles north of Wilmington, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include damaging tornado. 800 tornadoes reported by the U.S. are expected. Flying debris more potential shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Urbana around 4 p.m. Bellefontaine around 6 p.m. To repeat, a tornado's on the ground. Take cover now. Move to basement or interior room on the lowest floor with sturdy building.